We're back and we have with more pitch-ups.
What are you
and
doing?
We haven't made videos in...
Sissy, what are you doing? Sissy!
Awkward.
Scarlett! Elizabeth! I'm confused. Ah!
Well, yeah, we're back and we have more pitch-ups and we haven't been making a lot of videos because nobody likes our videos and now we have more Oh, and we have bad news. What is it?
I'm coming over! Bye.
You really want to hear the bad news? Right?
I came from the window.
Get him! No, but seriously, we have really bad news. Want to know what's the bad news? The bad news is that Brooke is dead! She's right there. Brooke, what the crap do you want?
I don't have a leg.
My dog bit her, including Bimba! My leg. It hurts. No, but I'm still good.
Show them.
I'm still good.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm still
they were
alive.
the...
I'm gonna get another self of me, and I'm like going to be brand new. Ooh, ooh. Bimba out.
Bye. Okay, and we also got a cat, and she ripped it too.
Yeah, that was Brooke. Oh wait, yeah, the other one that was
Yeah.
like Elizabeth's boy, boy.
Yeah.
You know.
But
He's
sadly,
dead too.
Stupid diva!
Is he?
Did it?
Isn't he in the box? Or did we throw
No.
him away?
Mom threw it away.
What?
Did you know?
No, I could have sworn I saw him in the box like a week ago.
Yeah.
So I know people are gonna be crying that Brooke is dead. Yeah. And we also get, throughout the months, we got this Dutch Hound, which is Sarah's sister with another one. I don't know. She better not come, punks. Oh, whoa, awesome Dutch Hounds. Get out of my face.
Ah!
This is the other Valerie. Her name is Valerie, and the name is because show your booty mark. Oh, just show that booty. Oh yeah, show that booty. Oh, ow.
You're disgusting.
I'm just playing, you idiot. Oh my gosh.
You know, Valerie's dead.
Brianna.
Be quiet.
No. Why can't Valerie be like Bimba?
Oh.
Nothing hurts Bimba. Now since Bimba is hurt, Isis is the most powerful girl in the school. Yeah, Bimba, you're okay?
Does it look like I care?
What?
She's right behind me, isn't she?
Yes, I'm right behind you. I mean, I'm still good, but I just can't
You really
punch.
don't scare me.
Yeah, you should be really scared of me. But since you broke the whole group up, I'm mad at you.
What?
Does you remember?
You weren't even here.
Oh, no, but I know everything. Hello, I watched all the episodes, you idiot.
Shut up.
Make me. Ow! The crap? Oh, shit.
Go for me, Mommy. Ouch. If you don't love me, I don't love you.
I'm Sage Bond! Wait. I have something to say. When I came, Brooke was dead. No, she just had to...
Shut up.
Ow!
Those are my lady kisses. I can't kiss. I have a big mouth.
What? Ah!
Get out of my house. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm twice as stronger than you.
And yeah, we kind of make like little and we made like little stripes so it looked like Frank is doing.
No, you dare touch that sheep!
Whoa!
Look.
No, seriously, stop it!
Wait! I'm gonna have you get them!
But I'll just continue with my stupid video.
I have something in my knife.
Anyways, we made stitches so it looked like she was Frankenstein, and I know a bunch of people are gonna be like, "Why did you ruin that Brooke? Because she's like the red, you can chuck their cat." But too bad. We did that because we had nothing else. What? You think we're gonna have a freaking broken-legged Brooke in our freaking box? No. Get out of the camera!
Don't talk to her like that, Justin.
You're getting too close to me. Ah! I'll just take over. I'll take over the world! Wah-ha!
Beanbag.
Nobody bothers me.
Mommy. There's a raven in the house. It's gonna eat everything.
Ooh. Rottweilers are aggressive. What do you think I'm like this? Get out of my house! It's my territory! What is wrong with me?
It's not our territory.
You wanna go, boy?
You wanna go?
You wanna go?
You wanna go? Idiot. I don't care. Idiot. All of these people are crazy. Ah! Justin?
What?
I hate you.
Oh, my leg.
Justin, baby! Ow.
Get off!
I know what was.
Why does everyone gotta wanna have a piece of Justin?
We were supposed to go out, so yeah.
Yeah, but no, wait, no.
Ouch!
No, but someone had to die.
It's not my fault! Ah!
Stop. Gotcha.
Guys.
Go away. Ah, I took care of that.
Ouch.
You want another one? And make it extra hard.
What do you mean extra heart?
I mean, hurt. Gosh.
You said heart.
No.
I'm dead. Be quiet.
Awkward. Stop!
Okay, I had a ladies' news. Get back here. Okay, ladies' news is Mike is coming.
No!
Be quiet. I have to explain. You know, like that Great Dane that has.
That's a monster.
That has white paws. That's a boy, and they always think that it's a girl. He's coming because
And he's not a girl.
And one of my sister's friends has him, and they're gonna trade it for this. Come on, Silver, you have to go someday. Show what you're made of. Ouch.
Iron. I'm made of iron.
Okay,
I'm the man of steel.
Go. Okay. Silver, do you want me to go over there and punch your face?
I'm a horse. You can't get to me. Oh!
Okay. How I was explaining my Silver.
Ow! I'm a fly Pegasus.
Okay. Like I was explaining, Sage, don't you dare come over here.
I'm just gonna go get my mail. Gosh.
Like I was saying that we are training that one for Mike and
training.
What do you mean?
She needs to be trained. She's a wild Pegasus. You should.
You're ruining my video. Get out.
Get
out.
I was starting
Get
this
out.
stupid video. Gosh.
Yeah, whatever.
Get over there.
Ew.
Then randomly Justin came along and just punched me. I punch you again. You too. Ow.
I'm starting you.
Just get out.
No. Taller, bigger than you. So be quiet.
Stop.